District Attorney Joe Gonzales trying to cut down on a 6,000 case backlog of unindicted felony cases. Bexar County commissioners today gave the DA the go-ahead for a plan to put more prosecutor hours towards getting cases ready for a grand jury. But with his office's struggles to keep prosecutors, Garrett Berger asked how much morale may be at play in all this.
Down 13 to 15 lawyers at the moment, the Bexar County District Attorney's Office says it needs to switch things up.
Because we're never going to be able to fully get in front of this when we have the amount of vacancies that we have.
DA Joe Gonzales plans to use nearly $300,000 his office isn't spending on empty positions and use it to pay prosecutors or volunteer for extra work reviewing cases. This so-called high-risk intake team would focus on violent crimes, repeat offenders, and cases flagged by police and prosecutors.
The idea of this team is to work to have these cases ready and have them indicted sooner than later.
While he put much of the blame today for his staffing issues on burnout, KSAT has also reported on outgoing employees' claims of a toxic work environment. In an email last month, the head of the very department this plan's meant to help chastised employees for not handling enough work. Intake and Grand Jury Division Chief Emily Angulo wrote to her team, quote, "Being on vacation is not an excuse for your stats to plummet." Gonzales seemed to walk that sentiment back some today.
There are some people that are workaholics, and this chief is an example of a workaholic. But we have to have a life balance, a life-work balance, and we have to recognize that.
In a statement released through a DA spokesman, Angulo said her email was, quote, "not meant to disparage. On the contrary, it was meant to motivate and to increase the intake division's output," which she claims it did. Gonzales thinks the extra man hours will put a dent in the indictment backlog, too.
We can comfortably expect to be able to resolve 2,000 to 2,500 cases of the 6,000. So, I mean, we're talking about a third of our backlog.
Gonzales says the plan is temporary and will be revisited in 6 months. Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.